So I went to NASA, and there I saw a big rocket was on the display in the museum, right? So this is Saturn V rocket, and I was really surprised. It was as tall as a 36 floors building. This rocket was on the display, and this is the rocket, and they used this rocket to go to the moon. They went to the moon. It took them 3 days to go to the moon because moon is really far, 3,84,000 kilometers from the Earth. On total, there are 12 astronauts landed on the moon. They went there, they walked on the moon, they collected 3 kgs of moon rock. They drove a vehicle on the moon which is called lunar rover, and they came back to the Earth. So I'm going to show you a real video of all of those things. Do you want to see the video? You want to see the video? You want to see the video? Okay, I am going to show you. Right, so they are landing on the moon. See, he's getting out of the spacecraft, and so Neil Armstrong was the first astronaut to step on the moon, and they also walked on the moon. He's singing a song. And also, they took a vehicle there. You want to see that car? And this is a vehicle they drove on the moon. That's a lunar rover, and in this vehicle they have explored that lunar surface. That's an antenna used to communicate with the spacecraft and to the Earth. They slept inside the lunar module. That spacecraft is there that you can see. So they spent 22 hours on the moon.
Yeah, you're going off camera to the right.
And collected 3 kgs of moon rocks and dust. They came back to the Earth, right?
Right away, Houston.
Imagine if you want to become a computer software engineer, is it better, is it wonderful to work for Google, or is it wonderful to work on a spacecraft that goes and lands on the moon? It's crazy, right? Now, for example, Vikram lander is going to land on the moon. Now, who builds that spacecraft? Mechanical engineers, you need electronic engineers, robotic engineers, and who put the software into the lander? That is software engineer. So there are a lot of wonderful careers are coming up in the future in the space industry as the India lands, right? Oh, thank you.
What is the age, and do you have any advices for me, because I want to become an astronaut?
You want to become an astronaut? I will teach you how to do that. Keep in mind that it's a hard path, but if you want to do it, one day you'll be in the space. Okay, and I wish you all the best. What's your name?
Kathleen, sir.
So my name is Krishna Tulsi. So Sharanya, we have like in the future generation, they say that there'll be the Saturn, the rings of the Saturn. So they'll have like a greater vision. Like even from Earth, we'll be able to see all the Saturn.
Sir, if we went into the black hole, how many universes are there?
The Mars and increase the temperatures over there.
Sir, when will the universe end?
Yes, you are very inspiring.
Thank you.
Sir, while traveling to space,
Okay.
what about the oxygen for the 3 astronauts that are
Yeah.
Sir, what's the first thing that was found in the universe or anything? What was the first thing that...
how much the sun covers the light in the universe?
And we will be learning all of these things through Olivemount Spaceship Academy. You want to do? Very good. So see you again and again in the coming days, coming weeks. We will have wonderful discussions, wonderful learning in the school. This is, you're going to find the 3 dark areas, right? The metal ones. You have tranquility. Just observe. That okay? Spaceship 9X. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. And then again reflects back here so that